Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest www.ritapandit25.in. Let we discuss and this is an update for coming week 22nd of June to 26th of June 2020. For the Nifty, before going to prediction of Nifty and Bank Nifty, let we discuss about the fundamental issues in our country and global market. Number one, Glenmark Pharma launching a Favipiravir tablet for mild COVID patients, and this is for a good news for our India and all over the country. Second, negative news is that in global market, especially in USA, if second wave of corona start, then if global markets sell off, then our market will also go down. And third, we are closely eye on Indo-China strategic, whether war will start or not. So all these issues and events are important for trading in coming week. Now for the Nifty levels, for the higher side maybe 10,600 to 11,000 level, and on the downside 9,600 to 9,250 on the downside. The break down and breakout point already given to our paid subscribers, those who are paid subscribers, and if you are willing to be paid subscribers, then WhatsApp me in 9831695525. WhatsApp number is that 9831695525. For the Bank Nifty, upside resistance may be 23,000 and the downside support is 19,000 on the downside. So all the mid caps and small caps are started jumping. So we hope there will be lot of action in the small cap and mid caps. So I am starting some stock predictions for multi-baggers or intraday stock predictions for traders who want to trade in intraday cash stocks, and also for positional traders for multi-bagger stocks who want to take positions for 3 to 12 months horizon. So those who are interested can WhatsApp me for the small multi-baggers and also for intraday calls in cash segments. So I can give you first some few stocks. For intraday, Canara Bank, if trade above 109, can see 115 to 120, even 127, and stop will be 105. In positional trading, we are many more stocks I have selected for the time view of point view of 6 to 12 months. I am giving one calls, that is Bombay Dyeing is very good. For short term, the target near about 90 to 95, current price is 71 and stop loss will be 65 or 60 will be the stop loss. Above closing 95, we can see 120 to 200 in the next 3 to 6 months in Bombay Dyeing. The other stock I would like to share, that is Everest Industries and Eveready, and other stocks is Glenmark Pharma, Laurus Lab. These are all personal for trading. If you buy these stocks for 3 to 6 months, and it will be good multi-baggers for this. So hope you good trading sessions for the coming week. Thank you for watching it. Thank you.